Another improvement to the LPT is the door holdback system. We've run safety chains for many years where you put the chain in a keyhole on the upright and then clip it to this bar. It's tried and true. It worked for a long time, and we were hesitant to change it just because we've seen many different mechanical latches that other manufacturers have done over the years. We've seen them fail. They're great short term, but they don't hold up, or they're just ones they buy off the shelf from somebody and it's not really meant for that. And so, you know, we've been asked for a better solution, but wanted to make sure that it was right. And so now's the time. We've come out with a newer door holdback. You'll pay attention real close to these two pieces, this small triangle piece here, and then this lever right here. So as we close the door back against the side, the trigger engages and it locks. So now your door is secured back. There's no chains, there's no clunkiness. This is protected out of the way. You have kind of the door, the hinge, all of this side that's kind of protecting this trigger. And then you just simply pull the trigger and you're unlatched. Really cool feature. It's the same whether it's 24-inch side all the way up to 44-inch side. This feature is actually going to transcend from this trailer across all of our dump trailers. So all of our small dump trailers will have the new door holdback as well.